In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail on your iPhone or Android device. I'm going to be giving you the best apps and the best tips and tricks to doing it coming up. Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Creators, giving you the tips, tricks, and tools to create awesome content on nothing but your smartphone. Now, if you're wanting to make awesome thumbnails on your iPhone or Android device and want to do it easily and for free, there are two apps you are going to need on your phone. The first one is going to be Photoshop Express, and the second one is going to be Phonto. Both of these are free to download and are going to be the best way to make thumbnails straight from your iPhone. If you go through my YouTube channel, all my thumbnails are done through Photoshop and Phonto. Photoshop is specifically important for iPhone users because the actual photos taken with the iPhone are not in a 16:9 aspect ratio. They're in some weird Apple aspect ratio, which means if you upload just a straight from the iPhone photo as your thumbnail, it is going to be zoomed in a bit and is going to really kind of mess up your thumbnail. So if you go into Photoshop, there is actually a section where you can change the aspect ratio to a YouTube thumbnail. So once you select YouTube thumbnail, you're going to be able to edit it from there and know that whatever you upload is going to be exactly what's going to be as your YouTube thumbnail. And within Photoshop Express, you can really change like contrast, saturation, really do all the effects necessary to make your photo pop. And then once it's done, you can save the camera roll and take that photo to Phonto. And this is where you can add your text and even add photos to your image. Now, when you make your thumbnail, you need to spend just as much time almost as you did working on your video. So you need to spend a lot of time crafting that thumbnail and making sure it looks good. And one of the best ways to do that is to, almost replicate or take ideas from other people's thumbnails. So look at what other people's thumbnails are and how they design them, bigger YouTubers and how they design those thumbnails with the text and everything like that, and then design that thumbnail in a similar way. And basically what that thumbnail is, it is your sales pitch for people to click on your videos. Your image has to be the reason they click on it and it has to draw their attention in. So it needs to be gripping. You need to be able to read it straight from your smartphone. If all your text is too small and you can't read it on a smartphone, then don't go with that thumbnail. It needs to be mobile friendly. Plus, you can even add photos on top of photos. So if you go online and you download like a PNG image, it'll actually remove the background from that image and you can move that item around within Phonto. And then from there, all you have to do is go into YouTube Studio, the app, and you just click on your video and it'll allow you to change your thumbnail straight from your phone to whichever thumbnail you designed. Now be sure to check out our other videos right over here that may interest you and help you with your filmmaking and content creation on your smartphone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.